When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors yell, turn down. We keep it going.
Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is featuring a new company that I have. Well, it's not new. I've worked with this company in the past, but I think only once or twice. This company is called Vshow Hair, and they sent me a unit today. So very excited to see what we have in store for you guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe. Okay, how do we open the box? If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a new upload. I'm definitely planning to upload a lot more in 2023. I know every YouTuber says that, but I swear I'm gonna follow through. So let's see what we have in the box. We have a pair of really voluminous lashes. We have a info card and a care card telling you how to follow the company and how to take care of your hair. We have a wig cap, of course. I have this wig grip that I think I'm going to try out today. I haven't tried this one out yet. I did get it from Amazon, so I'm gonna try this one out and see how this one does today. And of course, we have our wig. So it looks like this unit is 180 density and it is Brazilian hair and it's in 26 inches, and this one is a body wave texture. So right off the bat, the hairline is definitely looking pre-plucked. It's looking like it's already, you know, flat ironed and very flat laying. Doesn't look like it's pre-bleached. Ooh, it looks like it's pre-cut, y'all. I don't even think we have to cut the lace off of this. How nice is that? There's no extra lace here. It's literally just ready to go. I feel like this one you can wear glueless because it's so ready. So this is what it's given. This is a closure unit, which closure units are the best to wear glueless. It has a elastic band inside. And the cap construction looks like it's all elastic all the way around. There are no combs, and there are no combs at the top or on the sides. This is no combs at all. You can wear this glueless and with no combs. This is interesting. I haven't seen a unit with no combs, but it does look like it has some stretch in it. So we'll see how this one fits. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit because it's on the loosest setting right now. But I usually need mine a little more tighter. So I'm gonna just tighten mine a little bit. And I think I'm also going to tint this lace. So to tint this lace, I'm going to start with the light warm brown, and then I'm gonna put the medium dark brown on top. And I'm gonna spray a little bit on the top layer too, and then kind of like wipe it away. Wipe some of it away. That's the medium dark brown. So I'm gonna blow dry this to let this color set in, and then I'm going to start applying the wig. I'm gonna just pop this bad boy on. So I just popped on a wig cap, I popped on a wig grip, and tried on the wig. Holding the wig down with this grip on it, but it's very obvious. So I added the same lace tint spray to the wig grip, dried it down, and put the wig back on, and it's still a little obvious, but it's definitely better. I separated out my baby hairs. I added my ebon lace melt spray. And all the products I used I will leave in the description box down below. I'll leave links down there and in the comments to all the products I used in this video. Everything is from Amazon. So yeah, I separated those out, and then I added an elastic band. This is a soft elastic band you can also find on Amazon. Let's see how our edges are looking. Okay, smack laid, okay? You want to talk about laid and slayed. Edges are laid. I'm going to lay my baby hairs down. I'm going to do my makeup, and I am going to curl this hair. And I will be back once it's all curled and my face is all beat. I think I am going to clean a little bit of this residue off. I got to find my wipes. But yeah, I'm going to clean a little bit of this residue off and then do my makeup and lay my baby hairs. Because I definitely like how the edges of this are looking. And yeah, I'll be back. Before I lay my baby hairs, I'm going to just use my contour powder to just darken my hairline. I'm going to go ahead and grab my edge control. Of course, my daughter took my edge control because I don't see it. All right, let me go find my edge control and then I'm gonna lay my baby hairs. Okay, not me blaming my daughter, and it literally was on my desk. I cleaned up my desk a few days ago because my makeup desk has just become a terrible mess. So I cleaned up, and daggone cleaned up and hid it from my own self. So definitely wasn't my child this time. Normally it's her, but it wasn't her this time. So the edge control I'm using is my own brand. It's GLEEmade Edge Control, and it is available on Amazon Prime or on my website. You can use the coupon code JessMonique and save some money on my website, gleemade.com. I am very impressed with this wig. It's only 180 density, but it is very, very full, and it comes so perfectly straight out the pack. You know, the part is laid, the hairline is so perfectly plucked. It looks amazing, and it's just a very easy to do wig. You don't have to do any plucking or anything crazy. It's just really great. So I decided to use my 1.5 inch curling iron. No, half-inch curling iron. No, I think it's a 1-inch curling iron. And I'll leave that link down below. It's Conair. I've had it for years. It's their Infinity Pro, and I love it. I decided to use my little pink mini flexi rollers. These are amazing because they're so soft, easy to sleep in. Obviously, I didn't sleep in them, but they're super soft, easy to put in, and easy to take out. They do a great job with heat, but you don't have to use a curling iron with these. These will curl your hair without any heat either. So yeah, I can do a tutorial on a heatless curl with these curling irons. These are from Amazon as well. Highly recommend these. I've been using these for over a year and I love them. I am so impressed with Vshow hair. Like I said, I've worked with this company in the past, but it was years and years ago. They definitely didn't have lace wigs like this with this hairline and, you know, just this beautiful texture of hair. Is so gorgeous. The length is beautiful. It's 26 inches. She's a long baby, but I mean, she's just giving everything she needs to give. The hairline, the parting space, the hair quality, the density of the hair, like all of it, I just don't have a bad word to say about this unit. I really, really recommend this unit. I'll leave links down below to this unit because I definitely think it's a great one to add to your arsenal. So in closing, you guys, love the unit, love the hair, highly recommend. Thank you so much Vshow Hair for sending over this unit. I'll leave links to everything down below in the description box and in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It super helps me out. Give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video. Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.